In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge two clips using Capcut. Capcut is a free, user-friendly video editing app that's perfect for creating engaging content right from your mobile device. Whether you're working on a quick social media post or a more robust video project, merging clips is a fundamental skill that will significantly enhance your editing arsenal. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Capcut on your device. If you haven't already, make sure to download the app from your app store. Once it's installed and opened, you'll be greeted by the home screen. Here, you'll tap on New Project to begin. This feature allows you to start fresh with new footage, making it easy to stay organized and focused. Next, you'll need to choose the clips you want to merge. Take a moment to find the two specific video clips saved on your device that you wish to edit together. Once you've located them, simply select each clip by tapping on them and then tap Add. This step is crucial as it imports your chosen footage into the Capcut editing timeline, where all the magic happens. Now with your clips imported, it's time to arrange them. You'll see both clips appear in the timeline section at the bottom of your screen. Here you can drag and drop each clip to arrange them in the order you prefer. This flexibility allows you to set the narrative flow of your video, helping you create a seamless and logical transition from one scene to the next. After you've arranged the clips, consider whether any trimming or additional editing is necessary. This is your opportunity to cut out any unwanted segments or refine the footage to enhance its quality. Capcut offers a variety of tools to help you with this, such as trimming, splitting, and adding effects or filters. Taking the time to perfect these details can make a significant difference in the final output. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement and any edits you've made, it's time for the final step, exporting your merged video. Locate the export button, typically found in the upper right hand corner of the screen, tap it and Capcut will begin rendering your video. This process combines your clips into a complete video file. After your video has exported, it will be saved to your device, ready to be shared with your audience or uploaded to your favorite social media platform. And there you have it, a beautifully merged video, crafted entirely on your mobile device. Merging clips on Capcut is a straightforward process, but practicing these steps will help you become more proficient and creative in your video editing journey. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.